Recently, I've been hearing a lot about the AV ecosystem. A lot of people in the space are calling it one of the most ambitious upcoming tech projects we've seen in a while. Welcome to today's Explainer, where we are going to break all of this down. What exactly is this ecosystem? It is great to be here. Simply put, the AV ecosystem is a massive, growing digital environment. They are aiming to seamlessly merge the worlds of artificial intelligence and blockchain into a single, unified digital landscape. It's definitely not just another token, it's an entirely new digital finance infrastructure.
Right, and we've got a lot of ground to cover. Here is our roadmap for the Explainer today. First, the AV ecosystem vision. Second, inside the BAPS network. Third, VERONIKA AI and its tech. Fourth, Babecoin and ecosystem assets. Fifth, security and the BAPS wallet. And finally, the long-term future play.
Let's jump right into Section 1, the AV ecosystem vision. We're starting with a macro view of what exactly this project is trying to build.
Now, if you follow this space, you've probably seen the buzz around their recent app launch, which immediately begs the question, is this just another basic mobile crypto project? You know, the kind where you just tap a button to mine a coin and that's the whole thing?
Oh, it is much, much bigger than that. Most people only know about the Babe network right now because of that app, but that is literally just one entry point into something far more complex.
Historically, the tech world treats these things as totally isolated trends, right? AI companies do their own thing over here, and Web3 companies build blockchain over there. The AV ecosystem is fundamentally different because it actively weaves artificial intelligence, blockchain infrastructure, digital finance, and community platforms into one unified, interconnected fabric.
That interconnected roadmap really is massive.
Exactly. And that's what sets it apart from random tokens that just pop up overnight. Look at the scope of this. You've got Babe Finance and AI, the Babe Network, Babecoin, a highly secure Babe wallet, their proprietary VERONIKA AI, and eventually the AV blockchain itself. They aren't just building a single product, they are building the entire digital city that these products live in.
That leads us to Section 2, inside the Babe network. Let's zoom in on that first tangible piece of infrastructure.
Like we mentioned, right now most people know the project through the Babe Network app, which recently went live on the Google Play Store with a dedicated mining interface.
Think of this app as the front door. It allows early adopters to step inside the ecosystem, start interacting with the network, and begin their journey right now, well before the larger, more complex parts of the roadmap fully unfold.
Moving to Section 3, VERONIKA AI and tech. Because an app is just an interface, the real engine here is the intelligence layer.
When we look at that broader roadmap, one of the most fascinating proprietary technologies they list is VERONIKA AI. So how does it actually function? What separates this from the dozens of basic AI chatbots we see launching every single week?
VERONIKA AI is designed as an advanced platform where users interact with AI models directly inside a blockchain-connected ecosystem. It's not just some standalone chatbot you ask to write emails for you. It's an integrated AI environment. The advanced computing models are built to operate natively alongside the Web3 infrastructure, completely bridging intelligent computing with decentralized networks.
Let's talk about the economics in Section 4, Babecoin and ecosystem assets. To fuel a digital world of this size, you absolutely need a central economic lifeblood, and that is where Babecoin comes in. It sits at the absolute center of the project, connecting everything. Its utility drives the mining, future digital finance features, ecosystem access, the wallet systems, rewards, and active community participation. It ties the whole shebang together.
And to drive that massive early adoption, they recently announced something pretty huge, a 2 million Babe reward token airdrop campaign. That is a massive distribution.
It is. It's designed to rapidly expand their user base and really incentivize the community to get highly engaged right out of the gate.
But the really crucial takeaway here is that these reward tokens hold actual utility. They aren't just vanity metrics sitting on a screen. These early rewards are designed to be swapped directly into official Babecoin later on.
Right, so early participation essentially builds a direct bridge to the core asset that will power the entire network.
Which brings us to Section 5, security and the Babe wallet. With digital finance, high-end protection is everything. This is always the hardest, most valid question for any user entering a new digital finance space. With active mining and vast amounts of tokens moving around, how safe are these ecosystem assets? What about crypto wallet security?
That is exactly where the upcoming Babe wallet comes into play. And they are making a massive claim here. Their goal is to become one of the world's most secure crypto wallets.
They are tackling this by focusing heavily on 4 core layers. They're optimizing internal security, fortifying network protection, implementing highly secure communication protocols, and ensuring that as the ecosystem scales up, the security architecture scales right alongside it.
Section 6. The long-term future play. Let's pan back out and look at the permanent vision. Guided by founder Ankhan Bayan, the overarching vision here feels incredibly deliberate. Even just looking at the polished black and gold branding and their highly structured updates, it's abundantly clear this is built for longevity.
Absolutely. It is far removed from the short-term hype or meme-driven trends that usually crowd the blockchain space. Bayan is clearly focused on laying down permanent, premium infrastructure that combines AI, digital finance, and Web3.
And I think the core philosophy of the project is brilliantly summed up in this one quote. Ecosystems survive longer than trends. Think about it. Trends fade, hype dies down, but a complete, self-sustaining, AI-powered digital world? That has the deep roots required to weather market changes and keep growing. That is exactly what AV ecosystem is striving to be.
So for anyone looking to get involved and see this tech for themselves, the blueprint is pretty straightforward. Step 1, download the Babe Network app. Step 2, start your mining journey. Step 3, join the community early. And Step 4, stay active and watch how the ecosystem evolves. It's a very accessible entry point into what is clearly a massive project.
Which leaves us with a final thought to ponder. With such a monumental roadmap ahead, spanning advanced AI, digital finance, and secure Web3 infrastructure, just how powerful will this unified digital ecosystem become when it fully launches? Are we looking at the early foundation of the next major tech paradigm?
It is absolutely a space worth watching closely.
For sure. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and we will catch you all in the next one.